Now the a square multiplication is complete. Now the second one question come in the second one question. If a is equal to the matrix is given to by two order, find the value of b such that a square plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. It is clear. Now find the value of b in this type question, and the value of a is matrix A is given, and a square is also given in this equation. First we find the value of a square. After the substituting the value of a square, we get the value of b. First we find the value of a square by the multiplication of matrix method. Now we calculate the value of a square. A square is equal to A into A is equal to, put the value of A 2 by 2 matrix into again 2 by 2 matrix. Now the order of the matrix is 2 by 2 in both. The number of column in the first matrix is 2. The number of row in the second matrix is also 2. The multiplication is possible. First we check again. We say you. First we check the number of column of first matrix equal to number of row in the second matrix. If the both the number of column equal to first matrix, number of column is first matrix and the number of row in second matrix is equal, then the multiplication is possible. Otherwise multiplication is not possible. Here the multiplication is possible. Now we find the multiplication by the multiplication method. What is the method of multiplication? Row. First we take the first row of the first matrix, multiply by each column of the second matrix. Then we get the first row element. After then we take second row of the first matrix and multiply again one by one each column. Then we get second row element of the new matrix. It is clear. Now we multiply one by one. First we note down the value of a square the first row is 1 3. The first row multiplied by the first column, then 1 is multiplied by 1 plus second element 3 multiplied by 2. First row, first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second column of the second matrix, then we get the first row second element. First row first element is 1, second row first element 3. Corresponding element multiplication after then addition. So first multiply by 3, first element multiply by 3 plus 3 multiplied by second element of the rows 3 and the second element of the column is 4. 3 multiplied by 4. The second column multiplication is complete, no more column. Then we come on the second row of the first matrix. First row multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row. The second row first column is this multiply 2 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2. The second row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second column. Then the second row multiplied by the second column. It's the last element of the matrix. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4. So this is the multiplication. 2 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 4. The second row multiply both of the column. The multiplication is complete. Now to solve this matrix in next step. 1 multiplied by 1, the result is 1, note down 1 in the same position. 3 multiplied by 2, result is 6, note down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 3, result is 3, note down in the same position. 3 multiplied by 4, result is 12, note down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 1, result is 2, note down in the same position. 4 multiplied by 2, result is 8, note down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 6, result is 6, note down in the same position. 4 multiplied by 4, result is 16, note down in the same position. The multiplication of single element is complete. Now solve in the next step. 1 plus 6, 7. 3 plus 12, 15. 2 plus 8, 10. 6 plus 16, 22. This is the value of a square. The value of a square here. Now the given equation. What is the given equation? A square plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Now we find the value of b, then b is equal to minus a square minus 2a. Now put the value of a square and a on above. Given is above. So b is equal to minus a square value is this, note down here, minus 2 minus 2a. A is given the position, note down, not where, and write down here. Now simplify. First we multiply each element of the given matrix. Then minus 7, minus 15, minus 10, minus 22, and minus 2 is scalar multiplication by each element, then 1 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2. Simplify in the next step. 1 into 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 2 2 ja 4, note down 4, 4 2 ja 8, note down 8. Now the subtraction of two matrices, apply the condition of subtraction and in the next step. To minus 7 subtract minus 2, minus 15 subtract minus 6, minus 10 minus 4, minus 22 minus 8. Now simplify. Minus 7, minus 2 minus 9, answer is minus 9, minus 15 minus 6 minus 21, minus 10 minus 4 minus 14, note down minus 14, minus 22 minus 8 minus 30. This is the answer of B. It is clear, everyone? So this is the solution of this type of question. First we find the value of A square by the matrix multiplication method. After that the value of A square, we solve the given equation A square plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. First we find out the equation B in the terms of A square and A. And after then put the value of A square and A in the given equation, then the multiply the square number 2 by each element of A, then the subtract of each element, we get the final result of matrix B. This is the answer of this type of question. Clear, everyone? Now we come in the next problem. This is the good question. If A is equal to this, verify A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix and 0 is the null matrix. This is the most important question, student. And this type of question are come in so many boards, so many universities. This is the important question, where A is given and find the value of the proof that the A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to 0. Clear? First we find the A square value by the matrix multiplication method. After that we take the left hand side and give the equation and put all the value in this equation in the form of the matrix and simplify. Then we get the right hand side. If we get the right hand side, then the equation is proved, otherwise not proved. It is clear? First we find the value of A square by the matrix multiplication method. Okay? Now so find A square. A square is equal to A into A. Note down the value of matrix A and multiply. A is note down here. After that multiply, then again the note down the matrix A. So the multiply in the next step, one by one. Now the order of matrix is 2 by 2 in both the order. The number of column. First we check the number of column in first matrix is are equal to number of row in the the second matrix? Yes, equal. Number of row in first matrix, number of column in the first matrix is 2. The number of row in the second matrix is also 2. Both are equal. Multiplication is possible. Now we multiply of both the matrices. The procedure of the multiplication is the row is multiplied one by one each column, then we get the first row element of new matrix. After then we take the second row and multiply one by one each column, then we get the second row element of the new matrix. Now we start the multiplication by first row, first matrix. You see here the first element is 2 and the first column first element is 2, then 2 is multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 2. After then the addition. The second row element is -1 and the first column second element is also -1. Then the -1 is multiplied by -1. First row first column element first row first column first row element is multiplication is complete. Now we come in the first row second column multiplication. The first row first element is 2. The second row first column element is -1. Then the 2 multiply -1. 2 multiply by -1. First row first column multiplication after the completion of the first row first column multiplication, we come the second column element. Then first row first column first row second column multiplication. The first row first element is 2 multiply by second column first element -1. After that the sign. The first row second element is -1 multiply by second column second element is 2. Then -1 multiply by 2. Then the second row first row multiplication is complete. No more column. Then we come to the second row. Now we come to the second row. Now second row multiply by the first column, then we get the first element of the second row. Second row first element is -1 and first column first element is 2. So -1 multiplied by 2 -1 -1 multiplied by 2. Second element of second row is 2 multiplied by the second element of first column is -1 multiply -1. The second row first column multiplication is complete. -1 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiply -1. After then the second row multiply the last column. This is the last element of the matrix. -1 multiply by -1. Then 2 multiply by 2. -1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by -1, then the second row second column multiplication -1 multiplied by -1, 2 multiplied by 2. The multiplication is complete. Now we simplify in the next step the individual row and column element. 2 multiplied by 2, then result is 2. The result 2 multiplied by 2, the result is 4. Note down 4. -1 into -1 result is 1. Note down 1 in the same position. 2 into -1 result is -2. Note down the same position. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, note down the same position. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 1, 1, note down the same position. Two to the 4, note down 4 in the same position. Now simplify in the next step. Four plus 1, 5. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, note down minus 4. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, note down 4, minus 4. One plus 4, 5, note down 5. This is the value of a square. This is the value of a square. Now we take left hand side. LHS is equal to LHS is equal to a square minus 4a plus 3i, where 3i is equal to identity matrix of second order. Now we put all the value a square, a and I in here. First is equal to a square value put and note down here minus 4a. Note down the value of a. A plus I. Note down the value of I. I is the unit matrix of second order. 1 0 1. Here I is identity matrix of second order. Is clear? Now simplify by the scalar multiplication. Now the 4 is multiplied by each element of the second matrix. 2 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 1 into 4 2 into 4. Now the 3 is the square quantity multiplied by each element of the matrix. 1 into 3 0 into 3 0 into 3 1 into 3. Simplify in the next step. Two into 4 8. Note down 8 in the same position. 1 into 4 minus 4. Note down in the same position. 1 into 4 minus 4. Note down in the same position. 2 into 4 8. Note down in the same position. Now 1 into 3 3. Note down in the same position. 0 into 3 0. Note down in the same position. 0 into 3. Note down the 0 in the same position. 1 into 3. Note down 3 in the same position. Now simplify of each element. First we subtract out the first two matrices. After then come to the last step. 2 by 2 matrix solved by 2 by 2. To minus 5, 5 minus 8. First we solve the first two matrices. The subtraction method. 5 minus 8. Then minus 4 minus again minus 4 4 minus minus 4. Then minus 4 again minus minus 4. 5 minus 8. Now simplify the next step. Five minus 8 minus 3. 4 minus minus plus 4 0. Note down 0 in the same position. 4 minus plus 0. Note down the same position. 5 minus 8 minus 3. Note down the same position. Now simplify in the next step. This is the last step. Minus 3 plus 3, 0 plus 0, addition of two matrices, 0 plus 0, minus 3 plus 3. Now simplify in the last step. Minus 3 plus 3, 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 0 is 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 0, note down the same position. Minus 3 plus 3, 0, note down the same position. This is the null matrix, and null matrix is represented by 0. Is equal to 0. Then LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side equal to S2. So clear student? First we calculate the value of A square by the matrix multiplication method, by the row element multiply the column element, then we get the value of A square. After the get the value of A square, we take the left hand side in the given in the question, A square minus 4A plus 3I, all the value of A square, A and I in this equation put down. After then the multiplication, scalar multiplication and addition and subtraction, we get the value of 0. This is the right hand side, then the left hand side and right hand side are equal. The equation is proved. It is clear everyone? This is the good question. Now we come to the next question. This is also the good question. If A is given square matrix 2 by 2 order and I identity matrix, then find the value of K so that Ka square is equal to 5A minus 21I. So in this equation A and I is given but A square is not given. First we find the value of A square with the help of A by the matrix multiplication method. So first we find the value of A square by the matrix multiplication method. Clear student? Find the value of A square now. A square. Now A square is equal to A. A square into A. Now the multiply A to the matrix A. The number of column equal to number of row, the multiplication is possible. Now we multiply by the multiplication method. Row is multiplied by the column element one by one. first row multiply by first column, then we get the first row element. If then first row multiply second column element, then we get the first row second element. After then we take the second row and multiply both the column, then we get the second row element. It is clear. Now we multiply in the next step. First row multiply by first row. Now we take first row. This is the first row. Multiply the first column. The first row first element is 0. 0 is multiplied by the first column first element. 0 is also 0. Multiply after then the plus. First row second column is 3. Multiply the first row second column element is minus 7. 3 multiplied by minus 7. 3 multiplied by minus 7. The first row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the first row, multiply the second column element. 0 is multiplied by 3. 0 is multiplied by 3 plus 3 is multiplied by 5. After that, now we take second row element. Now we take second row and multiply by each of column of second matrix. Second row first element is minus 7 multiplied by 0. Minus 7 multiplied by 0 plus 5 is multiply minus 7. So first minus 7 multiplied by 0. After addition, the second element is multiply. 5 is multiplied minus 7. The first row second row first column multiplication complete. Now we come in the second column. Row is second. So minus 7 is multiplied is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5 is multiplied by 5. 5 is multiplied by 5. This is the multiplication of each row, each column in the matrix. Now we simplify both of them, each of them. The next step. Zero is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. Note down 0 in the same position. 3 7 is minus 21. Note down minus 21 in the same position. 0 into 3, result is 0. Note down 0 in the same position. 3 into 5, 15. Note down 15 in the same position. 7 into 0, 0. Note down the same position. 5 7 is 35, minus 35, note down the minus 35 in the same position. 7 3 is 21, minus 21, note down the same position. 5 5 is 25, note down in the 25 in the same position. Now simplify, then find the value of a square. Zero minus 21, the result is minus 21, note down the same position. 0 plus 15, the result is 15, note down the same position. 0 into 0 minus 35, note down minus 35 in the same position. Minus 25 plus minus 21 plus 25, the result is 4, note down 4 plus 4 in the same position. is the value of a square. Now we find the value of k, the given equation. What is the given equation? K square, note down here, now put all the value in this equation. K, a square value note down here, is equal to 5, a, note down the value of a here, minus 21, I note down the value of I here, now first we simplify. K the scalar quantity, multiply by each element of the given matrix. K, 15k, k is the scalar quantity, multiply by the each element. 35k, 4k is equal to 5 is the scalar quantity multiplied by the each element of the matrix. Zero into 5, 3 into 5, minus 7 into 5, 5 into 5. Minus, now 21 is the scalar quantity of the each element, then the 21 is multiply of the each element of the given matrix. Then 1 is multiplied by 21, 0 is multiplied by 21, zero is multiplied by 21, and 1 is multiplied by 21. Now simplify. Zero into 5, 5. Note down 5 here. 0 into 5, 0. Note down 0 in here. 3 into 5, 15. Note down 15 here. Minus 7, 5 to 35. Note down minus 35 here. 5, 5 to 25. Note down 25 here. One into 21. Note down 21 here. 0 into 21. 0. Note down 0 in here. 0 into 21. 0. 1 into 21. 21. Now the subtract right hand side value, right hand side matrix. In the next step, zero multiplied by minus 21. Both the matrix same order, the cross subtract the corresponding element of each and row and column. Minus 21 0 subtract by 21, 15 subtract from 0, minus 35 minus 0, 25 subtract minus 21. Now simplify in the next step. Zero multiply minus 21, answer is minus 21. 15 subtract by 0, answer is 50. Minus 35, 0 minus 35. 25 minus 21, answer is 4. Now both of two matrices are equal. By the equality of matrices, then the same order element is also equal. It is clear, everyone? Both the matrices are equal. Then the same order element is also equal. Now we find the value of k. And k is belong in each element in the first matrix. Now compare to the any other element to the matrix B. It is see that the first row, first element A in the matrix first is minus 21. Is minus 21. Both the matrices are equal. Then minus 21 k equal to minus 21. Then k is equal to minus 21 divided by minus 21, that is 1. Okay, the value of k is equal to 1. This is the final answer. Is clear, everyone? This is the answer of k. It is clear. Question is given, a and I is given. Find the value of k. If the given equation k square is equal to 5a minus 21i. First we find the value of a square by the matrix multiplication. After then we take the given equation and put all the value of a square, a and 1 from the equation, and we solve by the scalar multiplication and addition and subtraction and equality of matrix. Then find the finally result of k is equal to 1. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the last question of the matrix multiplication. Good question. If a is equal to given this, then find the fa where fx is equal to x square minus 5x is equal plus 7. Fx is given and find the value of fa. It means x is put down x equal to a, then we find the value of fa. X is replaced by the variable a, then we find the value of fa. Fx is given in the question and find the value of fa. It means we replace x to a, then we find the value of fa. It is clear now. Fa is equal to fa is equal to a square minus 5a plus 7. Given by replacing x by a. Okay? It is clear. Now the value of a, first we find the value of a square, then we solve the given equation. First we find the value of a square because the a is given and 7 into I. 7 means 7 into I. So first we find the value of a square. Find the value of a square. Now a square is equal to a into a is equal to a into a. Now the multiply the a of, note down the value of a. Multiply by again a multiply by a. The number of column in the first matrix is 2, the number of row element in the second matrix is 2, the number of column equal to number of row in the both the matrix, then the multiplication is possible. Now we find the multiplication by the multiplication method. What is the method? Method is this: row column is number of element is row is multiply the number of element by each column in the second matrix one by one. Now start the multiplication in the next step. First we take the first row. First row multiply the first column, then 3 multiply by 3. 3. 3 multiply by 3. After the addition, we take the second element, 1 multiply minus 1. 1 multiply minus 1. The first row, first column element is multiplication complete. Now the first row, second column multiplication. Then we get the second element of first row. 3 multiplied by 1. After the addition, we take the multiply of second element. 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 is multiplied by 2. First row, second column element is multiplication is complete. Now we come to the second row. second row, this is the first row is multiplication is complete. Now we second row. So second row first element, first column element. First we multiply second row the first column. Second row first element is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 3. After then the addition of plus, we take the second element. 2 is multiplied by the minus 1. Minus 1. Second row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come to the second column element. Then we get the second row second element. Minus 1 multiply to the 1. After the addition, take the second element. 2 multiplied by the 2. 2 multiplied by the 2. Second row second column element. Multiplication is complete. It is clear, everyone? So first we take the first row, multiply with the first column, 3 by 3, 1 by minus 1. Then the first row, second column, 3 into 1, 1 into 2. Then we come to the second row multiply by the first column. Then we get the first element of the second row, minus 1 into 3, 2 into minus 1. Then the second row multiply second column. Then we get the second row second column element of second row. Minus 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2. Now simplifying the next step. Three multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 1 into multiplied by 1 minus 1. Then we put minus 1. 3 multiplied by 1, then the result is 3. 1 multiplied by 2, the result is 2. Note down to here in the same position. Minus 1 into 3, then the result is minus 3. Note down in the same position. Minus 3. 2 1 ja minus 2. Note down minus 2 in the same position. 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Note down the same position. 2 2 ja 4, note down the same position 4. Now simplifying the next step, then we find the value of a square. Nine minus 1 is equal to 8. Note down 8. Three plus 2 5. Note down 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Note down minus 5. Minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Note down 3. This is the value of a square. This is the value of a square. A square multiplication is complete. Now we find a value of FA. Note down the each value of the value a square. First we note down the value of a square by here. The a square value is given down. After then minus 5a. The value of a is also given, note down here. And the last value is I plus 7 I. I is the entry matrix of the second order. Here I is identity matrix of second order 2 by 2 order. Now simplify the next step. First we multiply the scalar quantity 5 to the matrix A. 3 into 5, 1 into 5, so minus 1 into 5, with 2 into 5. This is the scalar multiplication of matrix. Now the 7 is the scalar quantity multiplied by the identity matrix, and multiply 7 in the 1 by 1 each element. 1 into 7, 0 into 7, 0 into 7, 1 into 7. Now simplify in the next step. Three, 5 to 15, note down 15 in the same position. 5 and the 5, note down 5 in the same position. 5 and the 5 minus 5, note down the same position. 2, 5 to 10, note down 10 in the same position. Into 7, note down 7 the same position. 0 into 7, 0, note down the same position. 0 into 7, 0, note down the same position. 1 into 7, 7, note down the same position. Now first we solve the first two matrices by the subtraction method. subtract of first two matrix 8, the corresponding element subtract from the 8th matrix. 8 minus 15, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 10, then solve in the next step. Simplify in the next step. Eight minus 15 minus 7, note down 7 in the same position. 5 minus 5, 0, note down in the same position. 5 minus plus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, note in the same position. 3 minus 10 minus 7, note in the same position. Now simplify in the last step. This is the last step. Add both the matrices by the addition method. Minus 8 plus 7. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 7 plus minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7. Now simplify. Simplify, then minus 7 plus 7 is 0, note down the same position 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0, note down the same position 0. 0 plus 0, 0, note down the same position 0. Minus 7 plus 7, note down 0 in the same position. Then Fa is equal to Fa is equal to, this is the null matrix, then Fa is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is the proof of the given equation. RHS FA is equal to, what is the value of FA? Then FA is equal to 0. It is clear, everyone? So first we find the value of FA by x replaced by the A, then FA is equal to A square minus 5A plus 7I. After that, first we find the value of A square by the matrix multiplication method by row element multiplied by the column element. The multiplication after the multiplication we put the value of A square, A and I in the equation FA. Then we get scalar multiplication and the addition subtraction we get the value of FA is equal to 0. This is the answer. Is clear, everyone?